Hi everyone. Are you targeting your undergraduate studies in Ireland for September 2025 intake? Let me introduce you to some interesting scholarships that can certainly support your international journey. If I talk about Ireland, I think these are your targets, which is Trinity College Dublin, University College Dublin, UCC, University of Galway, Dublin City University and more. So all these universities certainly stand out in these QS World University rankings and as well as national rankings too. So yes, these should become your target. And are there any scholarships that you can become eligible for? Certainly yes. If I talk about Trinity College Dublin here, two kinds of scholarships can become your target. The first one is India undergraduate scholarships, where you can target up to 3,000 to 5,000 euros, which is around 5 lakhs. And second is global business, which is specifically for business programs, some of the limited business programs, which is Bachelor in Business Studies scholarship, and that is up to 5,000, which is around 5 lakhs. अब सिलेक्शन कैसे होगा? So दोनों ही तरीके की scholarships का selection criteria is exactly the same. They are going to take into notice your academic score. So your 12th score is extremely important here, which will showcase your academic achievement here. The second important factor is that along with your academic excellence, how strong you are, how much potential you carry to contribute to the overall Trinity community. So they are looking for an overall personality जो सिर्फ पढ़ाई में ही नहीं but एक overall other activities को curriculum activities में university की community को कितना strongly support कर सकता है. And second is to apply the scholarship. The first thing we need to crack is the offer for the applied program. It can be conditional, it can be unconditional. Once we are cracking that offer, we have to meet the above two factors to become eligible and apply for that scholarship. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड अप्लाई कैसे करना है? सो दोनों ही तरीके की स्कॉलरशिप्स के लिए वी हैव टू अप्लाई सेपरेटली थ्रू एन ईमेल एंड दैट ईमेल इज सपोज टू बी सेंट टू द रीजनल ऑफिसर. योर कंसल्टेंट्स कैन हेल्प यू कि आपके लिए एलिजिबल रीजनल ऑफिसर जो है एज पर योर पासपोर्ट लोकेशन कौन सा रहेंगे. एंड इन दैट ईमेल वी हैव टू सेंड 3 थिंग्स, विच इज the cracked Trinity offer letter, conditional, unconditional. Second is your updated resume. And third is very convincing, very strong, very persuasive, a 300-word statement which should clearly showcase how I will be able to contribute to the Trinity College Dublin's community. So, is tarike se we have to apply for these 2 scholarships. And to apply, we have to follow the timeline as well. The first, second and third batch deadlines have been announced. It is strongly encouraged कि आप first batch में ही apply करें because जितना जल्दी आप apply करेंगे उतना first come first serve basis पर your application would be considered first. So yes, first deadline is 1st March, second batch deadline is 1st May and third batch deadline is 15th June. Any application which is coming to them after 15th June, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप apply कर ही नहीं सकते हो, but yes, the chances will become really less because all the applications afterwards will be considered on the rolling basis. So yes, जितना जल्दी apply करो, उतना जल्दी would be better. Next, let's talk about University College Dublin. So यहाँ पर भी you can target 2 kinds of scholarships. The first is this and the second is this. Here the amount will vary, but here the amount is given and this is specifically for those programs जिसमें students apply for the foundation year. So you apply for the foundation year and then you move forward for your 3 years of your undergraduate studies. This particular scholarship is certainly for those programs where you can target 4,000 euros in your international foundation year and in your progressive years you can target either 4,000 or 2,000. It will depend upon your academic achievement जो on progression आपको attain करनी है. Here also the selection criteria and how to apply criteria is almost the similar. In order to target this first discretionary scholarship जहाँ पर discretion पर ही आपका amount आपके offer letter पर reflect करेगा, आपको apply करने के लिए कुछ भी differently नहीं करना है, it is taken automatically into the consideration. The only thing is that we need to crack the offer letter. Conditional, unconditional. First आपके पास obviously conditional offer letter आएगा and eligible programs are only this, which is business and law, commerce, economics and finance, commerce and international law, and second is only BSc business. So in programs के लिए a discretionary scholarship amount would be written in your offer letter. And the last one is IFI joint scholarship. Joint scholarship इसीलिए बोला जाता है because एक आपको foundation year में मिलेगा and then as you are maintaining your academic score आपको on progression 2,000 or 4,000 euros का amount attain करवा दिया जाएगा. So here also the selection criteria is ultimately dependent upon your academics, your strengths as a potential, and ultimately your updated resume. उसी के basis पर you would be issued with your conditional or unconditional offer holding. And next, there is another university we have, which is University College Cork. यहाँ पर भी सारे के सारे scholarships automatically ही आपको offer letter stage के ऊपर declare कर दिए जाते हैं. Very interesting scholarship this university is having. The first one is SEFS International Undergraduate Scholarship, and very good amount they are offering in terms of scholarship अगर आप crack कर पाते हैं, which is specifically for science, engineering and food science domain applicants. और यहाँ पर 25% fee reduction, not just one amount but each year. So if you are progressing further with the 4 years of undergrad program, हर साल आपके tuition fees में 25% reduction किया जाएगा, which is a very big amount to get as a scholarship. Second one is for the business programs. So College of Business and Law International Undergraduate Scholarships. यहाँ पे आपका scholarship रहता है 5,000 euros, not just one time but per annum. So 3 साल का program है, 4 साल का program है, you will get 5,000 euros, which is around 5 lakhs per year basis पर. 3 years का भी program consider करके चले, which means up to 15 lakhs तक का scholarship we can attain through this. And the last one is for all the students who are into this arts, Celtic studies, social sciences, international undergraduation level पर. So here you would be able to crack 15% fee reduction, and that too each year. So again 3 years program, 4 years program, हर साल आपके tuition fees में 15% का reduction किया जाएगा. So all these scholarships, इनके लिए आपको कुछ अलग से नहीं करना है. Yes, we have to get a good score in our 12th standard if you are pursuing now, and if we are attaining the better score आपके academic achievement के basis पर, आपके profile के basis पर, you're automatically considered for the scholarship. So this is an overview on the scholarships that UG students can target for your September 2025 intake. There are a lot many more. In case you have any queries, please write down in the comment section. And to know more, let's connect.